This video is sponsored by you. Thank you for making us hit 312 subscribers, and thank you in advance because you still haven't hit the subscribe button. So please be a good sponsor and subscribe to the channel. Whether you're looking for comprehensive tutorials on graphic design, UX design, or even logo designs, there's a perfect YouTube channel for you. Like, bro, the perfect YouTube channel for you. In 2022, they established YouTube channel where you can get inspiration from and fix the problems with your workflow. From career development videos to poster and type designs to workflow tutorials, my brother tutorialgraphic has it all. With over 1 million subscribers, I highly recommend this channel to anyone who wants top-notch Illustrator tutorials and also an awesome portfolio for their design works. Dance Creative has the most comprehensive how-to tutorial videos on YouTube. Bro, if you want to learn how to create church flyers that are very amazing, you should head over to Dance Creative. He has over 14,000 subscribers now, and
A few moments later.
From Photoshop tutorials to CorelDRAW and even Illustrator, his two channels. He's a very good designer like me. Yes, very good. And that's why I'm reminding you that please hit that like that. I haven't said hit. I people saying subscribe to this button. I haven't said hit the like button. Is it bucket or button or button?
A few moments later.
I always thought it was like really cool to learn lots.
Chris Du, the creator of The Future, is a channel that dedicates itself to teaching creatives how to be successful entrepreneurs. It has lessons such as how to charge more for a logo design and how to build a personal brand. The Future also gives great lessons on typographic tips and all other design principles that guide the design market. So if you're looking for the business aspect of design that actually teaches design principles in a very fashionable way that I'm trying to actually tell you, I think you should go subscribe to the channel because Chris Du, his head is very doing. Like, bro, look at his head. His head is a very doable head. Flux Academy is a great choice if you are a UX designer and also a graphic designer who wants inspiration. With over 3 years, Singagle has become one of the most popular channels for Singagle is the name, but Flux Academy is the channel. Yeah. If you're looking for comprehensive tutorials on color design principles from a guy who uses a mic that costs more than my laptop, like, bro, you should subscribe to Flux Academy. Flux Academy is a very fluxy way to flex your muscle. Yeah, okay. I thought I was going to rhyme.